Super Mario from the new Mario movie. So, I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil and an eraser, and hit pause if I go too fast. Right, so we're going to start with the curved line for his hat. Okay, so like curves across this way. Right, so this is like the top of his cap. Okay, so in under here, we've got his eyebrows and his eyes. So we've got, and from the movie, he's kind of hairier, but we'll do it sort of this way. So it goes spiking down here and then up like so. He's frowning, spiking down here and up like so. Okay, big circular eyes, curves down and up, and then curves down, up like that. Blue eyes, so the iris inside, so it curves down around there, and then the black inside here. And then you can color this section black, but leave a little white dot. Right, and then we do the same thing over here. So big blue section, and then the black, like so. And then we will just leave a dot on that side and then color it in black, like so. Okay, so his nose, big round nose. There. Mustache then, and we're going to make this kind of furry because it's real sort of hairy in the movie. Right, coming around like this, and then it kind of bumps around the bottom. One, two, and a third there. Okay, so then he's got like sideburns, hair sideburns just here. Coming down from the hat. And then his cheeks stick out either side. And then we go down to his chin and then back up to there. Okay, so rest of his hat, right? So we got like the top of the cap here, the peak, the cap there. And then this has like a bit of an edge that goes along the front. And then we can see his ears sticking out here. So curving around like so. Like that. And then we have some ear lines inside there. So you just do like this kind of thing. And then the rest of his hat. So real big, right up around. Like so. And then we have the white circle with the M inside. Right, and then big letter M. Like so. And then this has another sort of circle around the edge. Like so. And then there might be like a little sort of edge line just here. Okay, so he's like about to, he's running forward, right? So he's like got a fist coming out this side and his body just coming down here. And he's got those blue dungarees, right? So we got like the clips that hold them together. So here's one. And these have yellow buttons on them. Like that. And then his belly kind of comes this way. And the top of those blue dungarees just here. And then we can just see like his shoulder and his back, right? So it's kind of like, it kind of goes this way, right? And his shoulder and the arm goes down off the page. Shoulder here goes down that way. Right, and then the blue goes underneath his armpit there. And then we have some stitching like that. And I think there's a pocket or something that goes that way. And then around his arm there. Right, and then his arm that just sticks out this side, so big fist, right? So it comes out here. Like so. And then the white glove, right? So it's round on top and bottom. And it comes down here. And then the top of that fist comes down. And we can just see two fingers. 1, 2. Curving around there. And then his thumb in behind. Right, and we can see some folds sort of on this finger. And then what looks like knuckle lines, but they're kind of stitching on the glove. 1, 2, 3. Some stitching here. And just coming around this finger as well. Like so. And maybe some of his body just going that way. I'm going to put another circle just inside this. Like so. And that's it. That's how to draw Super Mario from the Super Mario Brothers new movie. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.